did I also mention free shipping for all wholesale orders? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a different video than you're used to. So this is me showing you, by the title, showing you the wholesale. We now have this spring twist hair in wholesale. This hair can be used for spring twist, butterfly locks, distressed locks, butterfly braids, or passion braid, and all that good stuff. So we do have that in few colors. As you can see, we have that in color 1B, we do have that in 30, burgundy, and all that good stuff. And also we have the ombre braid in here. This is just me showing you guys, the orders that I've been shipping in for the past few days. And we also have our bonnets. So I do have the link of everything in my description box. And I'm glad to be making this video separately because people is asking, where do I get my hair from? Where do I get the hair from? And usually I feel like, I never really made a video dedicated to this per se. So yes, I'll be doing this more often so you guys can, get the link and, just make things kind of easier for everybody. So make sure to check on the website. We do have some more stuff coming in, but right now I'm just showing you a few of them. But again, we do have some more stuff coming in. But for your spring twist and all that, for your locks and butterfly locks and distress locks and spring twist hair and passion braided hair and everything, check the website. We do have most of them, and we'll be coming back with some more new stuff coming next year. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And also check my social media, Queens Lounge, and you can see just more of the hair that I use for all my hairstyles and stuff. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.